Hello folks, it's Phil with Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. What we're looking at here today is a new 2020 SMC 15-foot short wall 4-horse. It's got the double entry bunk, steps on both sides of the entertainment center. Which makes it nice. You ain't got to climb over one another to get in and out of bed. Nice big bunk area. It's got electrical plug-ins and USB ports on both sides of the bed. Makes it nice for CPAP machines, charging iPads, phones, all that. In the slide, you got a jackknife sofa, 6 cubic foot fridge. We do upgrade all of our SMCs to 10-gallon hot water heaters, ducted heat and air, microwave, recessed 2-burner cooktop, double sink. These bathrooms are very roomy in this floor plan. You got a big hanging closet behind the stool. My big ugly mug in the mirror, sink, and then a nice big closet to the right of the shower enclosure. Nice big shower, power exhaust fan, pass through to the horse area. Got a pocket door leading into the bathroom. For more information on this trailer, give us a call here at Jim's Motors, Cuba, Missouri. Thank you and have a good day.